Hi there, welcome to another tutorial on working with dates and time in Excel. Today, we'll be looking at another Excel workbook function, which is the hour workbook function. This hour workbook function will help you to, if you are doing data cleaning on time data and you have time in your data and you just want only the hour within the time data that you have to be displayed. You can easily clean the data and bring out the hour that you have in each time. Looking at the workbook, this workbook that I have open here on my screen here, I have different times that you can possibly have in your data that you might want to bring out the respective hour that you have within that specific time. So you can easily use this workbook function to get the hour that you have within the time. Don't worry, as usual, this is gonna be easy. So let's look at the time that we have in this, my first example in cell A2 here. We have 8:28 p.m. If you have your time in this format and you just want to get the hours that you have within the time, it's very easy. You can easily convert this to hours. Just use the hour function, because you can see Excel is already suggesting to me and it's telling me, okay, returns the hour as a number from 0, that is if you have your time between 12 a.m. to 23, that is 11 p.m. So that's how the hour function works. So I'm going to be using an hour. So the time, so this is the time that I want to use now, and voila, you see it's telling me this is 20 hours. So this 8:28 p.m. that's 20 hours. So let's do the same thing for this 8:28 a.m. that we have in cell B1 here. So same thing. I'm using my hour function again there, and I'm selecting my time. Voila, Excel is telling me this is 8 hours. So the way this workbook function works is that it starts counting your time from 12 a.m. that is 12 midnight. So this is the 24-hour time system. So it returns the hours that you have in the time that you have. So 8 p.m. is equivalent to 20 hours, while 8 a.m. is equivalent to 8 hours, because it starts counting from 12 midnight, from 12 a.m. So 12 a.m. to 8 a.m. that's 8 hours. But from 12 a.m. or 12 midnight to 8 p.m. that is 20 hours. So it means you have just 4 hours to 24 hours. So 4 hours to midnight again. So what if you have your time like what we have in cell C1 here? You have it in this format, showing the 24 hours time. Sometimes you could have data that the time is recorded in this format, 15:47, still recorded in 24 hours, but you only need to extract, the hour within the time to be extracted. That's what you need for the data that you have. You want to clean this data to only be showing the hours. Don't worry, I got you covered. Just use the hour function and it will easily bring out the hour that you have there for you. As you can see, 15, this is the number of hours that you have within the time there. So this is equivalent to 3 p.m. This 15:43:12. This is 1500:43 p.m. Yeah, that is 3 p.m. 43 minutes and 12 seconds. This 15 is equivalent to 3 p.m. So it's bringing out the hour that you have there, which is 15 hours. So let's assume, okay, maybe you have your time is in the format of what if your time, the time that you have in your data, has both dates and time together, but you only want to extract the hour. How do you do that? You can still use this hour for workbook function. It will still extract the hour that you have within the time. So I'm going to be using the now workbook function. So this is another workbook function. This now workbook function returns the date and time, the current date and time. So I'm going to be using, so to use it, you type now equals to now, then open parentheses and close parentheses, then you press enter. So you see Excel is returning the exact time that we have right now. This is the exact time that I'm doing this tutorial, this Excel tutorial right now. This is 17:07, that's 17th of July 2024, 16:49. So Excel is returning, showing you the exact time that I'm doing this tutorial right now. So from this time, I want to extract just the hours from this, from the time that we have here. So same thing, I want to extract the hours. So pressing hours, then voila. You see, Excel has extract using the hour workbook function. Excel has extracted the number of hours that we have in this date and time. So easy peasy. No matter how your data comes in, you can easily just clean your data like this. So this is this workbook function is good for data analysts if they want to clean it. Even it's good for anybody. If you are a project manager, you're a data analyst, you're a research analyst, you have set of data, time data or date data, and you want to extract the hours from the date, you can easily use this hour function to extract the number of hours that you have within the date and time that you have. So as you can see, this is an easy peasy workbook function for you to use. So thank you very much for watching our tutorial today. Remember to like this video, to subscribe to our channel, to keep getting more training tutorials from us. And if you have specific tutorial that you would like us to do for you, please drop a comment and we'll definitely do a tutorial for you on whichever platform. Of course, we also do training tutorial on other statistical packages that we have. Not only Excel. So, but Excel is more of like a generally used or readily used statistical package by everyone. So thank you very much for your time. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye for now.
Are you gonna go without liking the video and engaging the channel? Like the video, it's free, and drop a comment if you have reservation on the video. Cheers.